Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a room tour, and my room isn't like complete exactly how I want it. There's still a lot of things that I want to get and like want to do to it, but I want to go ahead and film a room tour because I do like kind of like how it is right now, but like I said, there's still just things that I want to improve, and then once I do those improvements, I will do another room tour. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so here's the door. You walk in, and I'll just give you an overview. First thing, as soon as you walk in, like, here's the door, and right here I have this mirror. I got this mirror when I moved into my dorm, and I got it from like Walmart or Target for super cheap. And this I also got from Target, and I don't have any room like by my bed for it, so I just sit it right here on this like empty wall. It's a really pretty like purple color, and it has this gold like whatever this would be called, or it's like copperish. And in here I just keep a bunch of my like cabin socks because they're really big and I don't have room in my drawer and my closets. Like I said, I don't have much room, and since I have this drawer in here, kind of takes away some room of like stuff that I can hang up. And I also have this like 3-tiered thing that I got from Target. Those two, I think all those bins are from Five Below. I just recently got those ones, and those I got when I moved into my dorm. And then up here, that is from Target, and it's actually a shoe rack. So up here I just have some shoes and stuff like that, and then I have just a couple bins that I found around my house. So we'll start up here. Like I said, this is from Target. I have like some shoes on here. I have my purse because I don't use that all the time, so I just need to store it somewhere. I switched it up a little bit because I want that to be like sitting fully on there so it's not getting deformed. So yeah, I have my purse right here, and then I just have a couple pair of shoes, like my work shoes, some tennis shoes, some like nice little heels or booties. So that container, I don't know where we got it, we just had it. And then I just have like some more random stuff. This just has like some school stuff. This has some random stuff. This is from IKEA. I just put my shorts in here. This has some sweatshirts, and this has my big coat and another coat up there, but I just don't have room to hang that. I have like all my clothes over here and here, not in like a certain way. These hangers, I think were from Marshalls, and I have some like random ones as well. So on top of my dresser, I just have a couple more pair of shoes, like my rain boots, these boots, and more tennis shoes, and my robe. And then on top of here, again, I have a couple more shoes. And at the bottom, I have a couple more pair of shoes. Over there, I just have a pair of bags that I rarely wear. Over there, I have like some Christmas decorations and a purse. And then in this, I have this that has t-shirts. This one has t-shirts because I have an excessive amount. And then in here, I just have like some sandals and flip-flops. Here I have my bed. This thing is from Target. This I got for Christmas. I think it was from like Macy's or something, and that's a blanket that somebody made me. And then I'm not really good at like arranging my pillows, so sorry about that. But I don't really know where any of these are. Probably from like Marshalls or stuff somewhere like that. Then I usually use these things to hang up like the coat I'm wearing in my purse. So this wall is filled with shelves and drawers and cabinets and stuff like that, and I use this to organize a lot of my stuff. So eventually I'm going to paint these white because I feel like they look really nice with like my gray walls, and get new like handles, because like that one has like video stickers on it from when we were little here. Over down here I just have this thing that I got from Target on sale. There's elephants, and it just has like some Q-tips, toothbrush, more chapstick, some random stuff like that. And then this has my jewelry in it. I don't really wear jewelry too much, but I have a couple necklaces, some bracelets, my watch that my grandma got me. It's a Kate Spade watch, and I only wear this on like special occasions. Yeah, so that's that. This was from Five Below, and I don't really like the pattern or the print of it, but I keep it down here, so it's not really that big of a deal. So this drawer, I have all of my makeup all these containers are either from Marshalls or Target. I think like these ones right here are all from Target, and that's the only one from Marshalls. But I really like how organized it is. Like I have separate things for my lipsticks, my face stuff, lip gloss, or eye stuff right here, and then face stuff. So I really like how that is organized down there. And then right here, I just have this little like tray that my sister got me. It says, "I'll always love you." And then this little jar used to be like a candle, and we just spray painted it gold. And I have all my ColourPop lipsticks in here. And then this mirror I just got from like Marshalls. I got all 3 of these from Walmart, and they were like really cheap. And I just like how they all fit in here perfectly. So in here I just have like perfumes from Bath & Body Works. Then I have like all my lotions in here. Most of them are from Bath & Body Works. This one I just keep like a bunch of random stuff. I have this like this bag with a bunch of hair ties and headbands, some nail polishes. I think this has more hair ties and stuff. This little basket that is from Walmart, and it's just like a rose gold color, and all I have in there is just a pack of makeup wipes. Then I have this thing that's rose gold color also, and it's a candle. Here I got this from Marshalls, and I really like it because it has like 4 different sections. And the first 2 I keep my makeup brushes. There I just have some Q-tips, and then here I have like more like tools and stuff like nail clippers, nail files, eyebrow thing, tweezers. 2 bins. I believe in here, yeah, I don't have anything in here right now because in here I have my all my water bottles because I have like an excessive amount, so I have to keep them in my room. I currently don't have anything really. I just would like to get some decorations to keep up there. Moving on to like the middle. Up at the very top, I have all my owls because I love owls. I have to say, my curtains are just like navy blue ones. Eventually, I would like to just get black since I have like so much black in my room. I don't really like navy blue and black together. And then I have this little sitting bench right here. Eventually, I really want to make like a cushion and get some like really cute pillows for right here. Then down in here, I store some clothes down here because since my closet's not that big, I need to store some clothes somewhere else. So down in here, I just have my jeans, and then over here I have my sweaters. So next we have this shelf. Up here, there's nothing. Again, just need some decorations for up there. Then up here, I have the matching one to that, and then 2 of the same. And this one, I believe, I just have like some scarves, and then like some winter hats. And in here I just have like some random stuff, and then some more winter hats, and then like some good hats for the summertime. And in this one there is nothing. So on this shelf I really just have some decorations. I got this my freshman year of college. I think it was from Burlington Coat Factory, and it's just like a little fake plant and an elephant. I love elephants as well. This I got also for my dorm. So it's just like a little picture frame, but you just like clip the picture, and there's just one of me and Colin from, I think, my senior year prom. No, that's my junior year prom at his grandparents' house. So his grandma's in the back. Then this is just from the Target Dollar Spot. It's just a fake little plant. And then back there I just like put my spare change in that jar. Next I have this shelf. This I've had, like, my mom got it for Christmas for us for a while ago. I literally keep nothing in it, but I just have it there for decoration. This my sister made me for Christmas, and it's like another one of those little trays, and she painted it, and she like made it out of clay, and I just usually keep like some bobby pins and stuff like that on it. This I believe is from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, something like that, and it's just another fake plant. So then here I have another one of those little wire baskets. And so next down here, this is just usually where I'll keep my school stuff. This I got from Target, and then I keep my most used like lotions, sprays. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray. Then here I just have a candle. This is the watermelon lemonade candle from Bath & Body Works. So then over here, and we have 2 separate drawers instead of 1 big drawer like that side, and then just the lower compartment down there. First off, in here I have a couple like of these storage things. These are probably just from like Target or Walmart. This is from Marshalls. And then I just have a couple notebooks. I have like an excessive amount of notebooks also. I just keep a bunch of random stuff. This thing is from IKEA, and in here I just store this speaker and stapler. I had to have these last year for my biology class, or my chemistry class. I have this thing that goes with like a phone, and this is a portable charger, but I don't know where the like thing to charge it is. Then I have some, whatever these things, envelope. Down here, it's kind of unorganized, but it's okay. So in this little thing, I keep my bathing suits, and then I just like fold my sweatpants up and put them right here because I don't really have any space in my drawers. And then down here basically is just storage. I have like a bunch of like Christmas stuff and like fall time stuff. Over here I have these two things that I got from Target like on sale, and I thought they would go really good with my room since I have like that purple side table right over there. But they're just really pretty like art pieces. I eventually want to get frames for them, but honestly I kind of think this looks good. And then I think I'm gonna get like more stuff to like decorate this wall. This thing I just hung up with the command strip. My dad got that for me when we went to Arizona. I really like it because it's like a cross and then it has that cute little stone in the middle. Over here I just hung a command hook so I could hang up my keys. So this light switch my sister got me for my birthday like a while ago, and I really like it again because it's an owl and it's just super cute. It's at Walmart, but I really like it because it has the area to work and then some storage over here. This blanket my boyfriend's mom got me for Christmas, and then I just keep this chair. I got it from IKEA like on sale. So up here I just have like my little TV box. I have a coaster. This I believe I got from At Home, and it's a really pretty like black and white marble. And then I have my lamp. I really like this. That's from Target. I got it for my dorm. Sitting right here I just have this little thing with 2 pins and some scissors. This I got from IKEA in the drawer. And here I got this I believe from At Home. And in here I just have these 2 Yeti stickers, some post-it notes, some more stickers for my planner, and then like my old schedule that I can throw away. So that's that. And then this is from Target, and here I just have like a clip, some erasers for my pencils. Then underneath I just have a bunch of stickers. So next I got this I believe from like Marshalls, somewhere like that. I got it my freshman year of college. And then in here I just store a bunch of random stuff. This is the notebook that I'm currently using. I got it from At Home, and I really like the print of it. Where I got these, I think I got them from Walmart. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know my room isn't like cute as it could be, but I'm working on it, and like I said, I want to paint these cabinets over here, get new handles for get more decorations and stuff like that. So I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, comment some video requests down below, like and subscribe for more videos every week. So thank you for watching.